Good morning, friends. Jennifer Razon here. For those of you who are new, hello, welcome. Glad you can join us. It's about 6:30 in the morning. I don't know if you can tell behind me, a few luggages there because it's a big travel day, and I'm looking forward to bringing you along on this trip, this adventure, and wherever we're going right now, I'm sure you'll enjoy it too. So let's get on going. Alright, we just checked in and gone through the security check. Gonna check out our gate and then get something to eat and drink because I need some breakfast. Made our 10-minute walk to the new terminal here in LAX, and we're pretty much 3 hours early, so we are just gonna relax, chill for, well, it's 9:30 right now, so we pretty much have like 2.5 hours before our flight leaves, so pretty much relaxing, which is great. So time to eat breakfast. Well, I guess you have guessed by now, we are going to the Philippines. Part vacation, but also partly to, mainly to see family that we haven't seen in a long time. So it's gonna be really exciting. I'm gonna be glad to take you all on this adventure. So, yeah. I'm getting my steps in while I can, because I'll be sitting on the plane for about 14 hours, which is how long the flight is. But looking forward to sharing the flight with you and what we eat and all that stuff and everything else that comes in between it. It's gonna be fun. We are in our seats now, so it's waiting to take off, and I'm gonna go to sleep. Seriously. All right, we just got done with immigration. Now we're just waiting for our luggage to come out. So that's gonna be fun. Yeah. Right here. As per tradition when we come home. Alright friends, finding a little quiet spot here, but made it safely to the Philippines. I'm super excited. We're going to be here for a few weeks, particularly in the provinces. So I'm really looking forward to sharing that adventure with you and hoping you come along as well. It's been a long travel day, so I'm just going to take the rest of this evening to spend time with family and catch up with them. It's been a while since I've seen them, so I'm excited about that. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it and see what adventures we'll be able to have. So until then, I'll see you all next time. Take care.